Don't you just love it when the government spends a bucket of money on a study to come up with a conclusion that you could have told them for free? Now, they're doing a study now at the city that might be a good thing. The city is spending nearly $40,000 to find out how many taxis we need. The biggest deficit I see is in the month of December. I attend a lot of Christmas parties, and we keep hearing the same announcement. If you want to go home by taxi at 1 o'clock, you have to call by 11 or you'll be sitting in the parking lot all night. Now, I know what it's like to pick up an unhappy taxi customer. I drove cab in Calgary. During Stampede Week, traffic was gridlocked and people were not pleased it took you so long to get to them, and then they were locked in that same traffic with the meter running. So, how many cabs do we need? You'd think the cabbies themselves would be among the best barometers. I mean, they wouldn't be asking for more licenses if they feared competition. I hope the people doing this study will respect the opinions of those on the front lines. Let me know what you think about the taxi situation in your area. I'm Bob Layton.